Hey friends, if you wish to fix the issue where Action Center is not opening in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process to fix it. Search for Task Manager in the Windows search bar and open the Task Manager. Right click on Windows Explorer and then select Restart. The next solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The last solution is to reset Windows. Right click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Go to the System tab on the list on the left hand side and select Recovery in the right pane. Now click on Reset PC in the right pane. Select Remove Everything and then finally click on Next and it will initiate the reset process. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.